My video today is about removing the dangerous pop-ups that come from the website Op.aewbx.shop. This is a deceptive website attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to force people into downloading and installing certain unwanted browser extensions. The website Aewbx.shop tries to trick people into thinking that their Google Chrome lacks something. But the real mission of all these pop-ups, as I said before, is to trick people into downloading unwanted browser extensions that may actually function as browser hijackers. If any unwanted extensions are installed, a lot of changes will take place. Your default homepage may be changed, default search engine, and other settings too. So when you submit some search queries, you may realize that the results would be delivered by some other fake search engines not chosen by you initially. Therefore, you should undertake the measures and get rid of such unwanted extensions as soon as possible. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Then, if you find any third-party extensions here, disable and remove them completely. To make sure that your device is free of any other threats, I recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the application and begin researching and investigating your system to detect and delete other threats fully from your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all such threats effectively. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.